So for this video, I am going to be showing you how to combine like terms. So what I like to do is I like to highlight or underline or box things that have the same variable, because when we're combining like terms, we can only combine things that have the same variable and the same exponent if there are any exponents. So in this case, I notice that I have a 5m. I also have a 6m. And I also like to highlight the symbol in front because it's telling me if I'm adding it or if I'm subtracting it. So looking at 5m plus 6m, I'm going to go ahead and combine those, and I'm going to get 11m. I also notice that I have my 10b here, and it's positive, and I'm going to be subtracting 8b from that. So 10b minus 8b is going to get me 2b. I also notice that I have a negative 13, and I'm going to subtract 2 more. So negative 13 minus 2 is going to get me negative 15. And then I have a c left over, and there's nothing to combine with that, so I'm just going to put c at the end. And that is my simplified expression where I have combined the like terms. In the next problem here, in addition to combining like terms, I also need to apply the distributive property because I have a parentheses and a 2 being multiplied by what's in the parentheses. So I'm going to start by doing that distribution. So 2 times 4 and 2 times 5t. So right now I'm going to rewrite my expression. I have a 6y minus 3t, and I multiplied the 2 times 4 to get me 8. And 2 times 5t is going to get me 10t. And then I have the 4y at the end here. Now I can go ahead and start to combine any like terms that I have. And I notice that I have a 6y plus 4y. And together that will get me 10y. I also have some t's that I can combine. I have negative 3t plus 10t's, and be careful with your negatives. That should get me 7t. And I also have 8 left over, and there's nothing to combine with that, no whole numbers, so I just put it on, and that is my simplified expression.